The Appalachian Mountains are home to some amazing back roads, with more curves per mile than any road in Georgia. Georgia 180 or Wolf Pin Road is part of the Georgia Dragon. As you'll see, Wolf Pin Road is narrow and winding, with only one way in. You might be looking for a second way out. Later in the video, we'll give the road a score and add it to our list of the best back roads. Let's see where Georgia 180 lands on our list. Georgia 180 is the 11th video in the Best Back Road series. Join our mission to find and drive the best back road.
good call.
After each drive, we give the road a score and compare it to the other roads we've driven. Traffic is light, but there are no passing zones and few pull-offs. There are sections with driveways and cross streets, so use caution 4 of 10. Pavement is very narrow but smooth. Dust and moisture make the tight sections slippery, 6 of 10. The road traverses picturesque forests and gives access to several parks, 5 of 10. The north end has very tight series of corners and elevation changes, 9 of 10. The southern half of the road includes a nice set of flowing turns, 6 of 10. As the curviest road in Georgia, this section of the Georgia Dragon should make your list, 8 of 10. With 38 points, Georgia 180 is ranked 5th on our list. Check out the channel for our playlist with every video in our Best Backroad series. Join us on our next drive as we continue our mission to find the best backroad.